What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the entire 3 sets from this 2-pack series that comes with the BRZ, the Lexus RCF GT3, 2 Skylines, and the 60s cars. So please watch the entire video. That'll really help me out on YouTube if you stay for the entire thing, and I'll try to make it quick and high quality. So let's get right into it. Okay, so it was a tough choice choosing to unbox this car that came in the set with these two, because I wanted to unbox it with this one, which is another set of 60s cars, and then also with this one, which is the Plymouth Barracuda funny cars. So I'm choosing to do it with this, so I hope you guys enjoy this. And yeah, let's start out with this one, because why not have the whole set unboxed, right? So here it is in the box. We'll be putting them on the turntable as we go, but let's get into it. All right, there we go. We got it open. Also, if you could share the video, that would really help me. If you share it with a friend or something, that would help me out a ton. There it is. There's the 2 cars. So I guess we'll start with, what is it, the Plymouth. Wow. Just wow. Mopar. Nice. Tires. Full metal chassis. I really do like this car. Yeah, this is great. You know, we'll throw it on the turntable for you guys. And then we'll get to the Dodge. Alright, so now for the Dodge. We'll just leave this guy right back there. Alright. There's that. Here is the Dodge. This was also in the Drag Strip Demon set this year. I really do like the livery they chose for this. White wheels on the back, gold wheels on the front. It matches so well. Blue windshield. They did a great job on this car. Metal chassis. The tires have grips on them, which I think these ones were like slick. Yeah, that one was, yeah, these are slicks. So yeah, those are those 2. I'll throw that on the turntable and we'll get to the next pack. Alright, next up we're going to unbox this BRZ and this Lexus. I'm very, very excited for this one. And I just found this today, along with one of these. I only have one of the Dodge and Plymouth sets, one of the Lexus and Subaru BRZ sets, and I have 2 of these. One I'm unboxing for you guys, and the other one I'm probably going to either sell to you guys, or something. I don't know. I have a whole bunch of Skylines collected in the box. So let's start on the left again with the BRZ. This thing is beautiful. I love the body kit that they did on this thing. Great wheel choice, and the back looks insane. Yeah, the entire thing looks insane, really. Black metal chassis. Throw it on the turntable. Alright. And now we'll go to the Lexus. So here is the Lexus in a matte black. And it's like a frosted matte black, and that thing is beautiful. Looks like 10-spoke wheels in dark gray. Another, like a matte metal chassis. Slick rubber tires. There's a roll cage in it that's gray. Back looks really nice. bumper looks a little bit weird, but that's because of the black paint. And then the front looks amazing. Yeah, this was definitely a great set. These two that came together. We'll throw that on the turntable for you guys, and then we'll head on to the Skylines. Alright, and now the moment that you've all been waiting for. The Skyline, I think R30, should be an R30, and R34. So, pretty much mountain drift, wide body. It's a super silhouette wide body kit. So, let's crack this open. Let's start on the left again. I'm like 100% sure that this is an R30. The wing looks a little bit goofy because it's a really small wing, but yeah, it still looks great. Nice. This one is like normal white wheels. This one's like deep dish white wheels. 5 spokes. Nice gloss red livery and paint job. And yeah, there is the Skyline. So, or the R30. So we'll throw that onto the turntable for you guys, and then we'll get to the big finish. Alright, here is the last car. It is the Nissan Skyline R34 Super Silhouette wide body car. Throw the packaging over there, and here it is. So I will be comparing this with the one that came in the Team Transport set, just so that you guys can see the difference. And the wheels already are amazing. Those 5-spoke wheels with the slick rubber tires look amazing. Nice red gloss paint finish again. Liberty Walk on the side. Black gloss metal chassis. Yellow roll cage. The roll cage does stick out, and it looks so good. And then we have a little more than usual detail on the front and on the back. And we will throw this on the turntable, and then we will compare this one to the other one that came with the Team Transport, which I think is a different, like a lighter color. So yeah, let's go compare them. Alright, I'll put these two on the turntable in a second, but let's just take a look at these. It's the same body, the exhaust is still on the side, but it definitely is a different color, different wheels, different livery. The roll cage in this is bright yellow. The front is designed quite differently, still with the same body kit though. And then the back is similar, but still different. Yeah, this one says a lot of modal on it. This one says Liberty Walk all over the place. And yeah, I'm not sure. I think I kind of like this one better because of the wheels. I mean, those wheels look insanely good on this car, but I'm not sure. I'm just really happy that I'm able to create this video for you guys. So we'll throw these on the turntable, and we'll be right back. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share it if you made it to this point with at least one person. That will help me out a ton. Thank you for watching this. The whole reason why I'm able to do this is because you guys are watching my videos and enjoying them. And yeah, I hope you like this. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that. Keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.